Ever wondered what allows us to have this conversation? How come we're able to see, touch, or even feel the world around us? The answer lies in two fundamental concepts of our universe: electrons and matter. Electrons, those tiny, negatively charged subatomic particles, zip around the nucleus of an atom, forming the cornerstone of all matter. They're the unsung heroes behind everything from the electricity that powers our devices to the chemical reactions that fuel life itself. Picture electrons like buzzing bees around a hive, the nucleus. Their movement and behavior are integral to the world of technology we live in today. From computing to communication, power generation to particle physics, electrons are the lifeblood of our modern age. On the other hand, matter is everything that takes up space and has mass. Look around. The air we breathe, the food we eat, the distant stars we gaze upon, all of it is matter. At its heart, matter is composed of atoms, those tiny building blocks of substances. Atoms can bond together to form molecules, and these molecules can band together to form everything we see and touch. Think of matter as a grand cosmic Lego set. Just as you can arrange Lego pieces in countless ways to create different structures, atoms and molecules combine in various ways to make up the diverse universe we inhabit. Matter occupies space, meaning it has a physical presence that prevents other objects from sharing the same space. It's the reason you can't walk through walls, or why your coffee doesn't spill out of its mug. Moreover, matter has mass. It's a measure of how much stuff an object contains. The more mass an object has, the more force it takes to move it. It's why pushing a car is much harder than pushing a bicycle. Mass also plays a central role in the tug-of-war of gravity, with objects of greater mass exerting a stronger gravitational pull. But how do matter and electrons interact? Well, it's not so much that matter occupies electrons. Instead, matter in the form of atoms houses electrons. These electrons exist in specific energy levels or orbitals around the atom's nucleus, but it's not a free-for-all. Electrons can only exist in certain discrete energy states within an atom, a concept known as quantum mechanics. The way electrons behave when matter interacts with other matter or forces, such as electromagnetic fields, can change. It's this behavior that allows for the flow of electric current in conductors, or the lack thereof in insulators. To summarize, electrons and matter form the basis of our physical reality. Electrons, with their negative charges and specific energy levels, facilitate countless processes from electricity to chemical bonding. Matter, with its space-occupying and mass-having properties, forms the tangible world around us. Together, they create the universe as we know it, influencing every aspect of our daily lives. In our daily life, we often take for granted the invisible role of electrons and matter. From the device you're using to watch this video, to the air you breathe, to the food you eat, everything is a result of complex interactions between electrons and matter. For instance, the colors we see are due to the way electrons in atoms absorb and emit light. The heat from your morning coffee is due to the movement of electrons and atoms. So next time you marvel at a sunset or enjoy a warm meal, remember the fundamental role electrons and matter play. To further understand our universe, we must continue to explore these invisible yet crucial components. Stay tuned for more such enlightening content. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this video. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of the universe.